Regular sharpening of dental instruments ensures safe, high-performance treatments. Sharp tools reduce hand strain and enhance safety. Sharpening with the LM Rondo Plus sharpening machine keeps your instruments sharp quickly and easily. Compact and always ready to use, it sharpens each instrument in just a few seconds. The sharpening method is simple. The instrument is held in place, while the rotating stone ensures easy and safe sharpening. Minimal wear preserves the original blade form. Hold the instrument in its correct working position on the rest with one hand while rotating the sharpening stone with the other. Rest your hand comfortably and maintain a relaxed grip with light contact for optimal sharpening results. With LM Rondo Plus, the sharpener only needs to focus on the lower shank, the instrument's face, and their correct positions. LM Rondo Plus is a simple, reliable sharpening machine for all periodontal and preparation instruments. It enables sharpening without complex adjustments, mounts, or grinding solutions. The power switch on the side of the machine controls also the stone's rotation direction. When rotating toward the instrument, the sharpening effect is stronger than when rotating away. Using the foot pedal is optional. When connected, the machine operates only when the pedal is pressed, while the stone's rotation direction remains controlled by the switch. In addition to the stone's rotation direction, influencing sharpening intensity, sharpening power can also be adjusted by selecting different grit options for the stone. LM Rondo Plus comes with a fine 400 grit ceramic stone with finer and coarser alternatives available as spare parts. Before sharpening, adjust the instrument rest. Position it as close to the sharpening stone as possible, then fine-tune the distance using the screw. The instrument rest has two vertical positions, the lower for periodontal instruments and the upper for preparation instruments. To change the position, lift the rest slightly away from the sharpening stone and move it up or down. A 60-degree line guides the sharpening angle for certain preparation instruments. Two LM Fingo sticks are supplied with the LM Rondo Plus for testing an instrument's sharpness. The sticks can be used while mounted on the machine, but can also be detached and placed on the finger for use. Sharpness is easy to test by lightly drawing the instrument in its working position along the fingo. Sharpening with LM Rondo Plus is easy, fast, and effective.